Welcome. In front of me is a BLACKVIEW Tab 16, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. And before you get started, you'll need to grab a SIM ejector, which comes provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip or stand on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the top side of the device. Top side meaning where the camera is, that would be considered top side. Anyway, you can see it right over here. So using the little tool, find the little insert area and then push the pen in. And you can see that the tray will pop out enough for you to pull it out. And on the tray, you'll have space for one SIM card and one SD card. I'm going to occupy tray with one of each. There we go, there is one. And there is two. Make sure that the cards are laying flush on the tray, and then carefully insert it back into your device. Carefully, because there's nothing actually holding these cards in place, so they could jump out of the correct position. Once you insert the tray into the device, cards should start working right away. As you can see, my SIM card is already working. It's telling me to put in the pin for it. So the SIM card is working, and I can already see that the SD card is working as well. We have a notification somewhere here. There we go. Issue with Samsung SD card. Now it is detecting it. There is no real issue. I believe it just needs to be formatted just because it's the card that I use for camera. But other than that, it is detecting it, and once I format it, the card would be ready to go. And obviously, if you have one that has been used only in like Android devices, there shouldn't be any problem with it. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.